it is now a race. Heidi looks behind her, looks to be sure of the front legs. You see where they are. Tap Steve on the shoulder as he goes, go.
And noticeably absent across the start rest is the number 1 of Euclid and Kowski. I wonder if they had some sort of mechanical failure. That was not them on the back straight, but we did not see them go across the stripe. Here they are coming into the hot grid. Maybe they're just going to wait and push it across the line to score the points.
We know that's a very, very fast machine. They said the number 1 plate holder we know the machine is capable when it's on, and we know the drivers are capable when they're on, but they're now conversing to try to figure out what's going on. But it looks like the size 14 shoes of Kevin Council will be pushing this bike over the stripe to finish the race.
So as the white flag flies, Euclid and Kowski now looking to pull it back in the pits. In the meantime, here's that race on the track. The number 351 has gotten past the number 18. What do you think, Russ? Do you think Heidi and Steve can do it? Do you think they can get the race lead back?
I think the last 2 races they've been for a long time. Now they like feeling the bride. So as they're getting into lap